Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry it's been a while, it's been such a busy few weeks for me, but we're back. We're going to be trying the new Dr. Downpipe exhaust remedy. Not a clue what it's like, but let's go find out. Okay, so we've got the bottle, got the pads that come with it to agitate it, and it says to literally just coat it leave it for a minute and agitate. So we'll see. Okay, so that's been about a minute. So, in theory, it's pretty grubby, but it is starting to come through. Whew, just got to give it a good old tug. Cue the time lapse. So that's just like sort of the first go over. And to be fair, it's not come up too bad. I reckon another few goes, she should be right on. Back to the time lapse. If you guys have got any suggestions on what ones you guys use, let me know, because I still like to try some other stuff. Try and get rid of all this black, you know, crud. But yeah, Dr. Downpipe, it's alright. For what, 13 quid a bottle? It's done alright. Got a bit of an exciting afternoon today. I'm going to go and have a look at a bike. So there could be a second bike joining the garage. Needs a little bit of work, but a bit of a summer toy. I'm quite excited. So yeah, if you've enjoyed the video guys, give it a like and a subscribe if you can. And stay tuned for what could be coming to the garage. It's going to be sick. Peace out. Stay safe.